How do you repair your credit after a bankruptcy? So you've made the ultimate sacrifice, you've filed bankruptcy, and now you're looking to pick up the pieces. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of bankruptcies that exist, what a bankruptcy does to your actual score, and then I'll share some valuable steps that you can implement right away to start growing your credit scores. As something that kind of happens frequently is a lot of clients will come to me and they're looking to increase their credit standing and build out their financial life. And in some cases, there really isn't a viable option for them. In other words, they're in the throes of massive financial issues. They have more money going out than they have coming in, and there really isn't going to be a fix for them. In many situations, bankruptcy might be an option for them.